There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
Hey, cunts, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Many of you, subconsciously, or sub rosa, as psychiatrists say, have made sure that you distance yourself from world-class people because you don't want to be compared to world-class people, because down deep inside you know you're not world-class. I.e., you find people that are like you. And you chill, hang, or whatever those words are, with people that are like you. And that's why I say the biggest speed bump, to me, it's the Mount Everest speed bump, is that when you go after board members, that you can't pick people like you. You cannot. That's why I tell you, you're not going to put anybody on your board that you know. Nobody. No relatives, no Goombas, nobody. These are, I say white, not because they're white. These are white-faced people, strangers that you don't know. Could be black, whatever the color is, but